everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're gonna be making Aidan's Avocado Toast. It's perfect for breakfast. Soldier, the ingredients that we're using are olive oil, pepper, salt, a lemon, an egg. Stay tuned for our amazing trick. Avocados and microgreens and honey white bread. Thank you, Aidan, from over there. You're welcome. Now, I'll take away the items. Cutting board, a special avocado cutter, a knife with serrated blades, a flipper. This is what I'm doing this trick with the egg with. A lemon squeezer, a fork, a sifter, a pan, a small plate, and a big plate. And that's all. Come over. Now, we want to toast our bread. Put it in, put it on foil. Start cutting through. And then turn it. Guys, look, I accidentally cut inside of an avocado seed. Grab the back, start peeling it off. Guys, comment down below. What is your favorite song? Put it aside now. Just if you're wondering, my favorite song is One in a Million by Neil. Finish the other half. Now, get the toast out. Grab our fork. Bring it over up onto the toast carefully. Now, time to cut the lemon. I'm gonna grab over lemon. Lemon! Guys, I like a lot of lemon. Now, put some pepper, salt, done. Turn on. Guys, I forgot one thing. Our oil. Break the egg. Salt, flavor, pepper, flavor. Flavor, baby. 3, 2. Now, we want to put our first egg on top. And our second egg on the bigger one. Put them on top. Put some salt, pepper, and it's done. Avocado toast, look. Now it's time to pop the yolk. Wow. Other one. Poke it. Wow. Guys, this one didn't have as much yolk, but this one did. So I'm going into the one with more yolk. First, push out more yolk. Get it on. And give me a countdown, guys.